Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech by Sarar. Today, I'll show you how to change the UEFI boot logo on your Lenovo laptop. This method works on both Linux and Windows, and it's much safer than modifying BIOS files directly. We'll be using a tool from Github. The link is given in the video description. On the repository page, you can check the instructions, releases, and supported Lenovo models. Here's a quick look at the currently supported Lenovo devices. Next, download the tool for your operating system. On Windows, download the .exe file from the latest release. On Linux, download the app image or build it from source. Once downloaded, extract the zip, and keep the file in a folder you can easily access. Now, let's run the program. On Windows, right-click the file and select Run as Administrator. On Linux, open a terminal and run the program using the app image file. Click Open Image and select the logo you want. You can use JPG or BMP files. Once selected, click Change Logo. The tool will update your UEFI boot logo quickly and safely. You can also restore your previous UEFI logo at any time by clicking Restore. Now, restart your laptop. If your model is supported, you will see your new custom boot logo instead of the Lenovo logo. And that's it. Changing your Lenovo UEFI logo is really that simple. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Easy Tech by Sarar for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.